Welcome to Laredo College, where opportunity meets passion. Discover the path to a fulfilling career in the healthcare industry with our Physical Therapist Assistant program. Our PTA program combines in-depth classroom instruction with practical, real-world experience. Students learn from expert faculty who bring years of professional knowledge into the classroom. Hands-on training is at the heart of our program with access to state-of-the-art equipment and personalized guidance. Students are prepared to excel in their future careers. Our clinical rotations provide real-world experience in professional healthcare settings, helping students build confidence and skills to make a difference in patients' lives.
The PTA program in Laredo College has given me the skills and experience needed to work right after graduation.
Laredo College PTAs are some of the most professional and prepared students that we work with.
With a nationally accredited curriculum and high employment rates, our PTA program sets you on the path to success. Take the first step towards your future today. Enroll in the Physical Therapist Assistant program at Laredo College.